welcome to another GEG NI how-to video. This time we're going to look at how to create a blank tweet for students to complete in slides. So as you can see here, using a blank tweet is a great way of getting students to refine and summarise their knowledge in a fun way, limiting them to the 144 characters within a tweet. And with some of our other slides, it's set up in a similar way. Students cannot change the background images, but they can change the text. And you can ask them to put in their own avatar and create their own name and handle. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. So we'll begin by creating a new slide, and we're going to give it a title. And the first thing we're going to do then, because I would like my students to print this out to make a display, is change my page setup into a custom A5 size, which is 21 by 14.8 centimeters. So from here, I'm then going to go and edit the theme. I scroll down and duplicate my blank layout, and I'm going to rename it my tweet. And from here, I'm going to add in all the different elements that I want to remain static within the tweet. So the first thing I'm going to do is add in my tweet image. So from my drive, I'm going to add in, and this is the official Twitter logo. You can get it from the Twitter website along with their brand guidelines in order to be sure that you're using it correctly. Then I'm going to add in, I want a little shape of a circle, and I'm happy with it being grey. But then what I want to add in is their avatar or profile picture. So I'm going to insert an image placeholder, which is also going to be circular, and I'm going to have it in the middle of this. And then my students can actually pick what image they want to use as their profile picture. I'm then going to add in different placeholders. So the title placeholder will be their actual name, and I don't need it this big because it's only a small tweet, and I can adjust the size and the font. I'm going to add in then a second placeholder that's going to be for their handle. And then from there, I'll add in the main text placeholder, which is where their actual tweet will go. Now, these are elements that the students can adjust themselves however they see fit when they're summarising their information. So I'm just going to use my different shapes now to make the background as realistic as possible. So I'm going to start off with a call out shape. So you can adjust this as needed. And then simply using my lines, then I can create my different shapes. So for example, my retweet shape. And all I'm doing is using the tools within slides already, and then just flipping this, and then using other shapes. So we have our like, and I'm using the guidelines that are showing, as you can see, those blue lines to tell me whether everything is remaining the same shape or not. And then using my polyline again and giving it an end arrow to create my share button, and then a simple line. So there we have our finished tweet. We're just going to close down our theme edit, create a new slide and click tweet. And there you can see these are the different elements that the students can actually adjust, and the rest stays uneditable so that they will all have the same format. I hope that helps, and enjoy using your new Google tool.